The Extron retractor is a unique cable retraction and management system designed for use with new or previously installed Extron cable cubby products. It provides discrete, convenient access to common AV cables such as VGA, PC audio, or USB within a cable cubby enclosure. This training will demonstrate the horizontal and vertical installation of 3 retractor modules into an existing cable cubby 600 that is installed in a composite wood table. For a horizontal retractor installation, the optional horizontal mounting bracket is required. In this example, the 3 installed retractor modules will support VGA, PC audio, and USB. The tools recommended for this installation include, but are not limited to, a tape measure, a socket set, an adjustable wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, and a marker or pencil.